Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF to your video using the Inshot app. If you love adding fun elements like GIFs to your videos, you are in the right place. It's super easy and a great way to spice up your content. So let's get started. First of all, find the Inshot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video option and select one video that you want to edit. Now the video is on the timeline. To add the GIF, here you can find the sticker option. Tap on it. Now again tap onto sticker right here. And finally here you can find the option of GIF. Simply tap on it and the GIF will be shown to your phone. Now you can scroll down and find the GIF you want to add, or simply search it on the search bar, and then you can add the GIF that you want to your video. So there you have it. You have just learned how to add a fun GIF to your video using the Inshot app. It's an awesome way to add some personality to your videos and make them stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.